In this video, we're going to be doing a review on this box that it was sent to me. It's a hotfix applicator, and the name of the company, Glitek. So we're going to go ahead and open it together. There's pictures of like all the things that you can do, but we're going to be testing it out. So let's do it together. It's supposed to have all these goodies. So let's see here. So the first thing, it has some heat gloves, which can come very handy. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, let's put this aside. It has, of course, the hotfix little pen or tool. And then it has a whole bunch of different size for different size rhinestones. So look at it, has for some really great big ones. It has a flat one. It has 2, 4, 6 in total, different sizes, different depths, and 2 flat ones. So you get that with it. You get 3 sets of rhinestones, different sizes. It doesn't say the number, but this one looks like a 12 millimeter. This one looks like a 10 millimeter. These are all white. These are different colors. So let's open them so you can see them. It has all these different colors. They're all white rhinestones, come in different sizes. They come like in a 14 and a 12, 10. I believe these are 6 and these are 5 millimeters. So you get a whole bunch of them, all clear white. And here's another pack of the hotfix, different colors, but this one looks like the 10 right here. So you get all these different colors, okay? It has more right here. It has other rhinestones. It has 2 pouches with different colors here. It has a little brush to brush the rhinestones. 2 pencils, 2 white pencils, and a sharpener. So this is a great deal. And then it has this little tool so that you can set your hotfix. It has this little like pliers so you can grab the rhinestones with them. Of course, it has a little baggie so you can save everything and put it away. And what I'm really excited about is that it has, of course, it has the instructions here, but it has these templates. It has these templates. Happy birthday, love you, thank you. Here's another one with some little a star, a moon, candy, a flower, a bow, and a heart. It has all the ABCs plus a cat paw right there. More little designs here in the numbers. More designs right here. And then another one. So that's what it has, you guys. I think it's a very good deal. I'm gonna try it out, but just so you know, in the description box there's gonna be a link that is gonna take you directly to the to Amazon where this one is purchased. Let me go ahead and get settled, put this aside. Let's go ahead and try it on a t-shirt. And I'm gonna be using this, which seems to be the right one, for the 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the little, I'm gonna go ahead and add this thing. It screws in. So we go ahead and put it in. Okay, it's already in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It has a button right here to turn it on. I'm gonna set it aside. I always put one in the middle. When it's a v-neck like this, this is what the 2 meet. I put one right there in the middle, and I make sure that this one doesn't count. I make sure that I put the same amount on each side. They're about 1 inch apart. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7. So I'm going to be adding the same amount on this side again without counting this one right here. I think it's pretty hot by now. So we're going to go ahead and start with the first one right here in the middle. So you're going to just go straight down at a 90-degree angle. So we're just going to go over it and go cover it and press a little bit and let it sit there with the heat. Maybe about 20 to 30 seconds. Hold it steady and let it be. Go move on to the next one. Okay, so here's already how the t-shirt looks with the rhinestones on. Look at what a difference it made on the t-shirt. Let me bring it closer to you. See how beautiful that looks. So now what I was thinking is that I want to go ahead and add a few rhinestones on Frida Kahlo's hair and maybe her name. So we're going to go down here and place our cushion underneath, and there's the figure. So I think I'm going to add a few here. I'm going to go ahead and stay with that pink, the same pink, and I think I'm going to try a little bit of this lighter pink, almost like a pink lavender. So I'm going to be doing a few of those. There's so many things you can do to enhance your t-shirts or anything you want to enhance with these rhinestones. So I'm going to go ahead and put some rhinestones in different areas because okay, that should be good enough. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so pretty. So again, 20 seconds at a time. Okay, so here's our t-shirt. Let me go ahead and pull out see, this is why you put the pillow underneath, because sometimes they get stuck. So here we go. You know, whatever the camera may show, it doesn't give it enough justice. Let me see if I can bring it up to you so you can see it better. So this is how the t-shirt looks. This is okay. So you guys, I'm really happy with everything that it was sent to me. I really give it an A+. I'm gonna make other videos, so make sure that you follow me. You subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be making more videos with this tool from Glittech. Mother's Day is coming, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of mom. So here is the results. I'm very happy with them. That's all for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.